In this video, I'm going to show you how to get iPhone emojis on Poco C75. Go in Google. I will simply show the my emojis here. Now search here Resider iPhone emoji. Tap on this website. Now scroll down till this download button shows. Simply tap on this download button. As you can see, file is downloading. I will simply tap on details. Here it is downloading. File is downloaded. Now simply tap on it. Tap on install. Tap on open. Now tap on enable emoji keyboard. Tap on emoji keyboard 10. Tap on OK. Tap on OK again. Ignore these errors. Now again tap on switch to emoji keyboard 10. Select the emoji keyboard 10 from here. Tap on OK. Allow the access. Now let's check it out. Here you can see all the iPhone emojis is showing now. So this is how you can get iPhone emojis on Poco C75. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.